We have seen on the channel that lemon juice is great to help you lose weight. Lemon has properties that detoxify the body, reduce swelling, and increase the feeling of satiety. But have you ever heard of lemon tea? Lemon tea cleanses the palate, eliminating the craving for sweets, and also offers all the same benefits of lemon water. To enjoy these benefits, you just need to do one of these two options. Lemon tea. Add 2 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, add a lemon cut into slices. Let it boil for 3 more minutes and turn off the heat. Strain and drink it hot. Do you want to up your organism? Try adding ginger to this recipe. Learn how to make lemon and ginger tea. Heat 2 cups of water in a pan. Before it boils, add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Turn off the heat and add lemon juice and half a teaspoon of honey if desired. Mix well and drink it warm. If you prefer a tea without the strong taste of ginger, what about trying lemon and honey tea? Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Once it boils, add fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well and drink it hot. Remember, don't add sugar, sweetener, or milk in the recipes. Sugar and milk are rich in calories, and sweeteners will not add anything to your tea except for the remarkable taste, depending on which sweetener you choose. To get all the benefits of lemon tea, drink it cold or hot up to 2 times a day. And of course, don't forget to include a physical activity you like in your routine. It can be a walk, a jog, weightlifting, or anything else, as long as it is something easy for you to keep up. Keeping an active body and a balanced diet is very important to healthy weight loss. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.